Okay, here's a video of Ivy eating her Mum-Mums, her rice crackers. Yum, is that good? Ivy, is that good? Oh, that's your shirt. You want the Mum-Mum instead? Yeah. Yeah. Are you watching the ceiling fan? Oh, is that tasty? Is that delicious? Huh? Is it good? What do you think? You want to show everyone your teeth? You want to show everyone your teeth? You dropped this. There you go. Oh, goodness. Oh, attack on the baby. Ah! Attack on the baby. Where's your teeth? Where's your teeth? Can I zoom in and get them? Can I zoom in? Where's your teeth, Ivy? Well, that's it for Ivy and her baby Mum-Mums.